Monday morning, Quad Cities. Good to be back with you here as we kick off a new work week and some changes expected for the pattern. Not so much today, though. It's more of the same. But by tomorrow, actually one of a couple of chances for some showers and thunderstorms this week. So we'll stay dry today. Temperatures back into the 70s. By tomorrow for your Tuesday, some scattered showers and storms likely, especially for the later half of the day. A couple of those will be left over for Wednesday. And actually kind of surprising, low risk of some isolated severe storms tomorrow night into very early Wednesday morning. The rest of the week, though, will be quiet. Here's how much rain we're expecting: about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch through Wednesday itself. Also, I want to take you through the rest of the month and what we're looking at in terms of the outlook. So week one in the books, already behind us. This week, of course, it's a warm start. We're going to be in the 70s today and tomorrow. It gets a little bit cooler, followed by colder weather later in the week. Of course, a few storms. We're talking about those Tuesday into Wednesday. How about next week? Well, next week, I think we're going to dry out. I don't see much chance for rain there. It's also going to cool down as well. It'll be several cooler days and nights, but it's what follows for the end of the month. Yeah, as we get closer to Halloween, it looks like there's going to be some really chilly air that's going to start to work in. We'll see about the timing for the holiday itself, but right now, you might want to start planning on a warmer costume. That's just my advice, the way things are shaping up right now. Stick with us. We'll continue tracking it as we get closer. Let's go back to the storm threat for tomorrow. Again, it's a low risk. It's a level 1 out of 5, but it's not 0. And this is mainly for gusty winds for nearly all of the area. So let me show you how this is going to play out. Today, it's just gorgeous. Sunshine, temperatures in the mid-70s. We will stay warm tonight. We've got this south wind really kicking up a little bit later. We'll have wind speeds about 5 to 10 miles an hour tonight. That's going to keep us in the 50s. Tomorrow morning, after a nice mild start, we're going to see a couple of sprinkles work through. Again, not a big deal here. And honestly, I think much of tomorrow afternoon is dry, and we're going to see temperatures rush back into the 70s again. But late tomorrow night is when the main piece of energy arrives, and that's going to bring us scattered showers and a few thunderstorms through late Tuesday night into much of Wednesday morning. So kids are absolutely going to need the rain gear as they head to school here. And then I think most of this will wrap up as we get into Wednesday afternoon. And then that's it for rain for a while. Notice a little bit cooler here. We're back into those 30s again Friday morning before we see another little nice bump in temperatures to start the weekend. But the real big chill, it's about a week away. Look what happens next Monday. We're going to really pull in those strong northwest winds. That's going to push overnight lows Sunday night into Monday morning well into the 20s. That's a killing freeze. That's going to end the growing season completely for all of us. And daytime highs by next Monday only in the 40s.